Hey guys, Tony Maritato here, licensed physical therapist, and I am really excited. The guys at Rangemaster sent me the new pulley system that I've really wanted to try. So I've been using the existing pulley system for decades now. These are awesome. They're easily adjustable, they're lightweight, they're really functional and inexpensive. But I don't always have my patients grab onto the pulley handle the way they're designed. Usually what I do is I have my patients hold the pulley handle so that the pinky is on the handle, but it's not necessarily all that comfortable. I like a vertical neutral grip when I'm working on range of motion or explaining to patients how to normalize shoulder flexion, abduction, or any of the motions. So what this does is this allows us to get that neutral grip in a much more comfortable handle. This is great for patients who have more arthritic fingers or any kind of conditions related to opening and closing the grip. Rangemaster also has a different handle system completely for someone who doesn't have functional use of the hand. I think it's awesome. This company is really doing cool stuff. But let me show you the way this works. So just like the traditional pulley system, it can go over the door, it can go on the side of the door. This is the handle that I'm talking about with the vertical grip. This is the adjustable side. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull this through and lock it into place just to shorten the length of the rope. And then on the surgical side, so I'm assuming that it's my right side that had the surgery, I can hold this in a vertical grip. I'm gonna pivot that. I can hold this in a vertical grip as I go into shoulder flexion. Now, one of our first landmarks or kind of goals for shoulder flexion is 90 degrees. Hand in line with the shoulder, so 90 degrees post-op. The other thing that I like about this and what I try to explain to all of my patients is the only reason why the hand is going up is because the other hand is pulling down harder. Both arms are pulling down. Tension is always through the rope. If I see somebody lift and they're slacking the line, I know that they're not doing this passively, they're doing it actively, and that's usually not what I want them to do. So my goal is there's tension through the rope the entire time. There's more tension coming through the non-surgical side, which causes the surgical side to rise, and then I bring it down. The other benefit to that is that I'm engaging the inferior capsule, a little bit of posterior capsule. Neither of those two areas were involved with the rotator cuff repair. Rangemaster, I think you guys did an awesome job. It's a comfortable handle. It feels really natural in the hand. Thank you so much for putting these products out. If anybody watching this wants to get a link to this product specifically, I'll put it in the description below, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.